So Jen, opioids have been in the news a lot,
Sure.
and we all understand the issue with opioids. They obviously offer value, but also there are issues around it. Acupuncture is, being promoted as a very safe and a very effective option for people. What is your opinion on that? How do you feel about it? What would you say to someone who's trying to make up their mind?
Sure, absolutely. Acupuncture has long been used to treat addictions, whether it's heroin addiction, opioid addiction, you name it. And it can be very, very effective. I think the biggest step in helping to treat an addiction is that person wanting to quit it. That way they're 50% there, they're 50% on the way because they want to stop. And again, acupuncture as an alternative, great, especially if they're using the opioids for pain purposes. Absolutely. Some conditions may be that, acupuncture has not been helpful, but it's very, very rare cases
Okay.
where it just has not helped. And there are specific protocols for working with addiction and whether what drug it may be, that is just extremely helpful.
For as someone who's debating between whether to keep pills or whether to take acupuncture, for acupuncture obviously I have to come to see you on a regular basis. How long does that pain treatment last? Is it like an opioid drug where I take it and it lasts a few hours and kind of tapers off and then I come back for my next treatment? How does that work?
Right, you're absolutely right on. Acupuncture is a cumulative effect, so what I usually tell people is allow 1 to 10 treatments at once a week to get a pain condition under control. We hope it's less than 10 treatments, but sometimes it can be a few longer as well. It depends on how severe the condition is, how long they've had the condition, what exactly happened. Obviously, if you have a broken bone, that can take a little bit longer to heal, but it is a cumulative effect. So each time you come in, you might feel great that first time for that night or for the next day. And then the next time you come in, the hope is 2 or 3 days until we get to you to that point of maintenance where it just becomes your once monthly maintenance of keeping your body at peak potential and everything's working the way it should. So hopefully within those 1 to 10 treatments, we can clear up an issue, a problem, a condition, and help the person through that, and they're on their way.